Our primary motivation for putting together SIWW Spotlight 2019 is to help industrial water users improve their water management. Another motivation is to inspire these industrial water users to adopt technology to reduce, replace, and reclaim water.
Businesses all over the world have to look for new ways, new technologies, and new strategies if we are to have enough water to go around.
It's really important that people understand you can't look at water just in the water you use inside the boundaries of your own business. You've really got to look at how water is used through your whole supply chain and then onward when your product gets used. And you've got to find ways to say, what can we do to reduce the impact of that water across that whole value chain?
I think from a technology perspective, we have a plethora of different solutions which are very sophisticated and can solve most of these water issues. But the adoption rate is not as quick as we'd like. Only 4 to 8% of the global wastewater is actually reused.
SIWW is certainly leading the way on setting the scene globally on the water challenges we have, and then also how to make it practical and how the different water sectors can actually contribute to the bigger agenda of also the companies and of the different governments in the world.
What we all want to know is what's our horizon? What are the best in class, and that they exist, and how it's done and where it's done and who's doing it. And that's here. You meet the people from across the world who are doing the best things for the areas that we care about.
We always strive to deliver the best for our delegates, and we look forward to a bigger and better show next year. So mark your calendars and join us at SIWW 2020, 5th to 9th July.